Hello guys, welcome back to LNApp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Google Sites for blogging. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So how do you actually use Google Sites here for blogging? Well, just to give you an overview here, Google Sites offers you a way or a free way to actually publish a website without actually paying for anything. This is something really cool, but the only thing here is sometimes the features that I have right now can be restricting, especially if you're building a blogging account or blogging website. It might kind of be hard because right now there's no direct feature that we have right now. But if you really want to use Google Sites here, I'll be showing you how to actually do that. Now in this case, you should first have to have a Google account here. So I just went to the sites google.com, log into my account, and we're now ready to start creating a website. But I'm assuming that you already have an account here, so let's go ahead and start creating one. Now in this case, you could go ahead and choose whatever template here. Like for example, if you're creating a blog or a blog website for your family, you could choose the family update here. Now we also have different templates that you could choose from, but if you want to create a new one, just click on black site here. And from here on, you should be able to basically create a new website. Now in this case, I won't be showing you exactly what the features or the styles that you might need to include here, because actually the styles here depends on your preferences. So depending on what you like, how you want it to look like, it might change. So I'm assuming you already know the basics for using Google Sites here, but just to give you an overview, this is going to be the section here that actually you'll be able to change the title for yourself. And if you click on a specific section here, you should be able to change the header type, the image for it. Like for example, if you want to make it a large banner, a cover, or even a banner here, you could go ahead and choose that. And from here, if you want to delete this section here, just click on the delete header here if you want to. But in this case, if you want to, maybe I want to change a few things here. So at the bottom right here, we have background image properties here if you want to change that. So for example, if you want to use Aristotle, so right now it's going to be simple. But in this case, what I want to do here is I want to change an image here. I want to click on upload, and maybe I want to choose one of the images that I have right now. So maybe I want to use an image here that I have. So let's just use this one, click on open. And as you can see, we now have our background image. In this case, when you actually click on the text section here, you should be able to basically change the text itself. So if you're familiar with Word, it's exactly like that. It's actually quite similar. You should be able to change the style for it, the fonts that is available right now, font size, make it bold, italic, underline, or even change the text color or add links into it. Now, in this case, maybe I want to say there's going to be a sample blogging website. So this is just an example. So in this case, you could go ahead and add whatever here. So if you want to insert new objects at the top right here, you should be able to see 3 tabs that says insert, page, and themes. So insert actually enables you to insert different elements, content blocks, and a lot more if you want to. Now, just to give you an idea here, so this is going to be the home page of our blogging website or profile. So we want to first showcase the pages that we will be having on our website. So what I like to do here is I want to use the content blocks here, which is a great way for you to organize what the contents that you have on your website. So maybe I want to choose this one, and I want to upload an image here. So maybe I want to click on select image, and from here you could go ahead and look for whatever image that you have right now. So maybe I want to upload a new one, and I want to choose maybe a picture or use this one. Click on open. And from here, maybe I want to say this, since this is a blogging website, I want to say happy holidays. And from here, you should be able to add a section here. Now, this section here is a section that we'll be using as a means for the visitors to visit different pages that we have right now. Like what I said before, since Google Sites actually does not fully implement creating blogging accounts here, it might be kind of hard because you might need to manage them manually. So it will not change dynamically, so you need to manage them manually here. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to create our new page. So at the top right here, next to insert, you have the pages here. So let's just create a new page here that we want to say. Maybe I want to say this is going to be day 1. Just to give you an idea, I just click on done here. Also, if you want to add advanced here, custom path, but we just want to use the basic here, just click on done. And from here, maybe I want to say I want to add a section here or a content block that actually shows this one. So I want to say in this section is I had fun, and we want to add a new image here, upload it. So yeah, in the assets here, whatever you want to put actually depends on you. So yeah, in this case, I want to upload this one. Just give you overview. So you can also change the image sizes if you want. So it was really fun, just to give it more color. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go back into our homepage. Just go back to images here, go back to the home page here, and from here, let's go ahead and select this one. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to basically link it to our pages or our day 1 page here. Now to do that, you could go ahead and click on the text that we have right now. Go ahead and highlight that and look for the chain icon here or insert link icon. In this case, you need to select the day 1 folder here or page here, and that should actually link that and click on apply. So whenever someone actually clicks on this link, they would be actually redirected to that specific page. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to publish this website here at the top right. Just click on it, and from here, I want to say this is going to be the link for my website here, and just click on publish. And we want to check our website here. Just click on the drop down icon here and click on view publish site, and it should redirect us to the homepage that we have right now. Now in this case, we need to click on the name of the icon that we actually added here. So this will actually redirect us to the day 1 page of our blogging website. Now in this case, you could go ahead and do that for other sections here as well. But yeah, again, you need to manage your site or website here or blogging website here manually. So if you want to change, like for example, rearrange a few things, you have to do that manually. But if it's just incremental, day 2, day 3, day 4, you could go ahead and do that. So if you run out of spaces here in the section here, you could just add another content block here. Same thing. You could go ahead and choose this one again, add it in the section here, as you can see. So yeah, so that's how you create a blogging website on Google Sites, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan App. Thank you for watching.